Hi everyone, this video is about your musculoskeletal research assignment. So as you can see, we are currently in D2L in the chiropractic and philosophy. What you can do is you can click right here on the left hand side and you'll see musculoskeletal research assignment. And you will see a Word document, so we can open that up. Okay, so your musculoskeletal research assignment. This assignment research project starts really next module, and it goes all the way to the end. So what you're going to do, you're going to write an annotated bibliography consisting of 6 sources. Each source must relate to your final developing question sheet from the developing question sheet worksheet, which we'll go over in a minute. Each annotation must include your final concept block from your concept block worksheet, which we'll go over as well. And then each annotation must include your final search string, and that is going to come from your Boolean search worksheet. Additionally, each person will present their final findings of their musculoskeletal research project using PowerPoint and VoiceThread. And you will then share the link on D2L, and this is so everyone can learn from you and learn about your project. So those 6 sources that will need to be annotated will relate to the conservative care of your musculoskeletal topic. So any topic that you choose except for torticollis. Then number 2 is the allopathic care of your musculoskeletal research topic. And then what you're going to see is 3, 4, and 5 is that in 3 it's the philosophy and history of conservative or allopathic care of your topic. 4 is the treatment and protocol of conservative or allopathic. And 5 is management of condition of conservative or allopathic. Now for 3, 4, and 5, you get to choose whether you want to do the conservative care or the allopathic care. If you pick conservative care for number 3, then for number 4 you can pick allopathic care, and then for number 5 you can go back to conservative care. Or you can do all conservative care for your topic for 3, 4, and 5. Or you can mix it up. It really depends on you and what you want to do and the research that you find. For number 6, you have to explain any relevant anatomy or other parts of the body that may be affected as it relates to your musculoskeletal research topic. So again, we are going to go through this slowly, and we're going to be creating these worksheets, step by step by step. The other thing that I want to show you is if you go back to the if you go back to the table of contents, you will see right here where we have the syllabus, the assignment checklist, your bibliography, your worksheets, which we'll go over in a minute, and musculoskeletal individual topics. So I just want to show you this. What you will see here is you're going to see a Word document, and you can open that up and it's going to have your name and then it's going to have your topic. So once the topics are finalized, I will send out an email letting you all know that it has been finalized, and this is where you're going to want to go to find out exactly what your topic is. If you recall, in Module 1, I do ask that you give me 2 to 3 topics that you want to research, because you are going to be becoming experts in whatever topic you want. Put your first choice as number 1, your second, and your third, so on and so forth. I will try as hard as I can to give everyone their first choice, but if you all pick shoulder, or if you all pick, Parkinson's, I won't be able to do that. So I do want a varying degree of different topics so that we can all learn from each other. The other thing that I talked about in the musculoskeletal research assignment are these worksheets. So what you can do here is if you click on worksheets, you'll see that you are going to be revising and submitting these worksheets a number of times. This is going to be happening in each individual modules, as you will see on the assignment checklist. So the first one that I talked about, and I just want to quickly show this to you, is the developing questions worksheet. Again, what you should do is download this, save it, and keep it, because as we go through those 6 individual topics, you're going to be adding more information to the developing question worksheet. Same thing is going to happen for the concept block. So again, I'm going to just quickly show this to you. Download it, keep a copy of it, and then as we go through those 6 topics, you're going to be adding to this as well. I'm going to give you much more instruction about these worksheets, what I want in them, how you're actually going to be using them in module, a little bit more in module 2, but I just wanted to give you an introduction to them and what they are. If you want, you can also see right here I have some examples, but again, I'm going to go over that a lot more with you in module 2. So that is quickly your musculoskeletal research assignment. If you have any problems or any questions with D2L or anything, please email me. You will always be given a video, an email, and then additional explanation in D2L as we move through these modules. I'm going to try really hard to give you as much communication and stay on top of things and offer them in different formats, as much as I can. But again, if you have any problems or any questions, please do not hesitate to email me. So as you know, my email is all over the place. You could also email me at snutting@nycc.edu. Thank you, and I will talk to you and see you all soon. Have a good one.